My name is Jami Jo, and I am with Jami Jo Sells Wax. I own a fragrance company selling Scentsy products. Perhaps you've heard about Scentsy before. I have been selling Scentsy products all the way back since 2008. I also have a huge team of awesome and amazing consultants that are growing businesses of their own, and I am lucky enough to have the opportunity to work with them and mentor them on growing their businesses. Now, like I said, I found Scentsy all the way back in 2008. I started as a customer, but quickly became a consultant because I absolutely fell in love with the products. I knew they were good quality products and they worked. And I really got hooked when I started to make some money with the company. I have been with a couple other direct sales companies before, direct sales, multi-level marketing, social selling, whatever you want to call them. I had tried some others before, and honestly, I had lost some money and really got annoyed because I spent a lot of effort trying to make them work. And friends, I made money with Scentsy in the very first month, and I have made money month after month after month, all the way since 2008. I actually was able to quit my full-time job and I focus on my Scentsy business full-time. So I have been doing this a while. I've seen what works and I've seen what doesn't work. Today, I want to talk to you about why it is important to start a side hustle. There are lots and lots of different reasons that people start a Scentsy journey. And we're gonna talk about a few of those, but I wanna let you know that Scentsy has an amazing Join the Opportunity special this month, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about that. Right here is the kit that you would get for just $25. But first, let's talk about why you would even want to consider giving this a go. The first reason that I have people join this journey is because they are buying tons of Scentsy products and they really just want a rebate on what they buy. And that's essentially what your commissions are if you're just purchasing for yourself. It is a way to get a rebate on the things that you buy, anywhere from 20% to 30% rebate the month after you buy a product. So that's a great reason right there. If you're a Scentsy addict, that is a great reason to jump on this opportunity. Also, as a consultant, we get early access when Scentsy releases new collections and things like that. So that's a really fun perk. If you want to get early access to things, you should consider this opportunity. Here's the thing. Who wouldn't love more money in their pocket or in their bank account? And guys, you can make money with this. MLMs, direct sales, multi-level, like I said, whatever you want to call them, can sometimes get a bad rap because there are people like myself who claim these big, huge income claims and someone else jumps in thinking they're going to make a fortune and they don't. Here's the thing, the opportunity is there. The opportunity is there. I have people on my team that are making anywhere from zero, if they don't do any work, to $50 or $100 if they're part-timers or hobbyists, all the way up to full-time income. There is definitely money to be made in this business if you are willing to work it as a business. So if you could use a little extra money in your pocket, you should consider this opportunity. Now, we are just in the start of March and it's tax season, friends. Would you like some more write-offs on your taxes? A side hustle is a great thing because you get extra write-offs on your taxes. Things that you normally wouldn't get to write off are now becoming a business expense and part of running your business. So if you would like more tax write-offs, consider this opportunity. Do you love to travel? Man, I do. That is my love language. I love to travel the world. And one of the perks for a Scentsy business is some companies give cars, some companies give jewelry. My company gives travel. And that is one of the things I love about this business. I have earned so many free trips because of working my Scentsy business. So if you love to travel, you should consider this opportunity. Are you looking for something that just is for you? Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom and you're in the kids' world all day. Maybe you are a housewife and you're just taking care of the house all day. Maybe you are in a 9-to-5 grind job, but all of what you're doing is benefiting something else. Are you looking for something for you? Something to fill your cup and something you enjoy doing. I have a lot of people on my team that describes them perfectly. So if that's you, if you're looking for something just for yourself, just for fun, you should consider this opportunity. Guys, really this opportunity is for anyone. Whether you fit one of the descriptors I just mentioned, or maybe you don't, this opportunity could still be for you. I have seen people successful in Scentsy from all different walks of life, from all different areas of the world, all different nationalities, religions. It doesn't matter. Scentsy is a we love everyone type of community, and everyone has potential for greatness in Scentsy. So now that we've talked about who should consider this opportunity, let's talk about this amazing opportunity special this month. You should consider starting your journey just because of this. Even if you're skeptical, even if you're like, I don't know if it'll work for me. Guys, this is only $25. Let me tell you what you get. You get this gorgeous mini warmer. I absolutely love this mini warmer. It is called Crowned in Gold. It is one of our top sellers, and you are going to get that in your kit. Friends, if you were to jump on my website and buy this, guess how much it is? $25. How much did I tell you this kit was? $25. But you saw everything else that was in that tray, which I'm gonna show you guys. But so, if you wanted a mini warmer, okay, great. Why don't you just consider grabbing this kit and give it a go, give it a try. You really have nothing to lose, because you're getting that mini warmer and all the other stuff we're about to talk about. You get a bar of black raspberry vanilla. This is our top selling fragrance of always and ever, forever and ever, amen. So you get a full bar of wax. You get 25, I'm gonna try and grab these here. I can't grab them all, but 25 of these mini testers. In the full kit, which is $99, you would get the entire set of them. But this one's only $25. You get 25 little mini testers. So what are these? These are just little containers of wax that you can pass out to your friends, that you can loan to people to sniff, that you can meet up people for a sip and sniff session, whatever. They're testers of the wax fragrances. So you get 25 of those. Again, not the full collection, but enough for a little taste. You're gonna get 2 packages of stickers. Now, not these exact ones, but I just have them here for illustration. You're gonna get 1 package of stickers of coconut lemongrass wax sniffer. I mean, I say it's a wax sniffer, but we have coconut lemongrass in several different products. Then you will also get a package of stickers in eucalyptus lavender mint, which is one of our essential oils. So 2 packages of rub and sniff stickers, 1 for a scent that is available in lots of different products, 1 for an oil fragrance. You are going to get a quick start guide. This guide is going to give you tips and tricks of everything that you need to get going on your Scentsy business. But guys, on top of that, if you join under me, I am your mentor. I am going to help you make sure that you are making the right decisions for your business. Now, notice I didn't say I'm going to tell you what to do. I said I'm going to help you make the right decisions for your business, because you might not want everything that I'm doing in this business, and that's completely fine. I've been mentoring people since all the way back in 2008. I have people in all different aspects of the business, anywhere from someone just looking for those rebates to a hobbyist to a part-timer and a full-timer. So I know what works, what doesn't work, and hopefully I can help you decide what you want to do in your business. Guys, there's 2 more things that you're gonna get in this kit. And one of them is 5 of our brand new spring and summer catalogs. 5 is a perfect number because I will tell you guys, when I first started all the way back in 2008, these were like gold. If you didn't have a catalog, you weren't selling product. But now so much of our stuff is done online that really it's just good to have one of these on hand to maybe give it to your hosts or someone that's really helping you in your business. But I really don't think it's essential that everyone gets the full catalog because like I said, website sales are where it is at these days. And the very last thing that you get in that $25 opportunity kit is you get your website free for 3 months. Now, I will tell you that right there is the key to a successful business. So many people are shopping online these days that you absolutely need a website to be successful in this. Now, you could be just an addict looking for rebates. You could be just a hobbyist without a website. But if you want to make serious money, if you really want to make a go at this business, a website is essential. So you're going to get it for free for 3 months, and then it's just $15 a month after that. So I paid that $15 over and over and over because if it wasn't for that website, I wouldn't get most of my sales. So guys, this is everything that comes in this $25 join kit for the month of March. Now, I have to say this disclaimer, if Scentsy runs out of these warmers, they're gonna pop a different one in there. If Scentsy runs out of this scent of wax, they're gonna pop a different one in there. So, but just know you're gonna get the exact same value no matter what. But jump on it quick because I'm telling you, this is the prettiest warmer out there and you wanna make sure that you get this warmer. So how can you get started? It is so simple. You can jump on JamiJoSellsWax.com and then there's a little tab up at the top that says join or get started or something like that. I don't remember the exact verbiage of what it says up there, but you click that button and we're gonna get you rolling. Like I said, you're gonna get this kit. Actually, you have the choice. You have this $25 kit. We have a host exclusive kit that's $59, which if you're interested in that, give me a shout, let's talk. So $25 or the full kit is $99. Either way, you have the same opportunity for success. But this $25 kit is March only. That's it. After March, your only option is that $99 kit or a host exclusive. So don't wait, get started. Today, I'm filming this on March 1st, and today is the very first day of this new spring and summer catalog. So we're gonna be hanging out in this catalog for 6 months. It's a great time to get started because you have a full 6-month selling season with these items that you get in your kit right here. Just a reminder, jump on to JamiJoSellsWax.com. If you have any questions, you can always text me at 918-888-9690. But I would love to have you jump on this opportunity, start this journey right alongside with me because I want to help mentor you to the business that you want. Guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I am here to make your nose happy and hopefully to help you make your wallet just a little bit fatter. We live in a world where we're taught to look for a job and not an opportunity. Therefore, the government finds it very important that I show you this. Look, I'm not telling you this is a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to be rich today or even tomorrow. You probably won't ever be a billionaire, but if you take a chance on this opportunity, just like I did, and you're willing to put in the work and make the sacrifice, this opportunity quite possibly could change your life.